Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick video I will be walking you through how to add pin on Roblox. Without any further ado, let's dive in. Here, open your Roblox and log into your account. Then tap on the three dotted icon present on the bottom right of your home screen. Then select settings. After that, tap on parental control. There, enable the option of parent PIN. Create and confirm your PIN. After that, you will have to enter the account's password to verify. Enter and verify it, and that's it. Now you have successfully set up PIN in your Roblox. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.